tired of waiting for your flaky mate to finally buy those plane tickets? Ever feel like Europe is just sitting there, taunting you with its cobblestone streets and flaky pastries, while you're stuck at home scrolling through everyone else's travel snaps? Well, I'm here to tell you, you absolutely do not need a travel buddy to conquer Europe. Trust me, solo female travel is not only possible, it's honestly the ultimate power move. First things first, why bother going alone? For starters, there's no one to judge your third gelato of the day. You get to choose what you do, where you go, and how long you linger in the skincare aisle at a French pharmacy. It's freedom, pure and simple. You want to take a detour to that tiny coastal village you can't pronounce? Go for it. Want to spend an entire afternoon people-watching in a Roman piazza? No one's stopping you. But it's not just about the freedom, it's about the stories you'll collect. Like the time I got hopelessly lost in Lisbon, only to be rescued by a grandmother who insisted on feeding me pastries until the tram finally arrived. Or that magical evening in Prague, where I stumbled into a local music festival and danced with strangers under the stars. These are the moments you simply can't plan for, and I promise, they're worth every awkward solo selfie. Now let's talk safety, because yes, Mum will worry. Always tell someone where you're going, keep your phone charged, and trust your gut. If something feels dodgy, make a swift exit, no apologies needed. And don't forget to look confident, even if you have absolutely no idea where you are. A brisk walk and a look of purpose will get you out of most sticky situations, or at least to the nearest coffee shop. Europe is packed with hidden gems, and going solo means you can genuinely connect with locals, because nothing says approachable like a woman bravely butchering their language with a terrible accent. People are kinder than you think, and half the fun is muddling through together. So here's my challenge to you. Stop waiting for the stars to align or for your friend to finally get her annual leave approved. Book the ticket, pack the snacks, and let the adventure unfold. The version of you who comes back won't just have a camera roll full of memories. She'll be braver, bolder, and probably obsessed with at least one regional cheese. Ready to take the leap? Europe's waiting, and I promise you're more than prepared to explore it solo.